Hey everyone, it's Amy, and today I'm going to be showing you how I created this set of goofy nails. So here I have my nails prepped, filled, and ready to go, and you can see I have already done my outline for Goofy. So I had just taken a pencil and I penciled on my little sketch outline. This is what I use as a guide for the gel polish, just makes it a little bit easier. I did learn this technique from Sarah's Nail Secrets. I will leave a link to her videos down below. Make sure to go check her out. But I'm going to start off with Madame Glam's Perfect Black and start off with the outline. So here I'm just putting it on my palette, and I'm taking my Light Elegance's swirly brush, I believe is what it's called. It is the teeny tiny little brush, and people always ask me, especially for my character nails, how I do it. And I always tell people a lot of patience and a teeny tiny little brush. So this is my teeny tiny little brush that I'm using, and I love this brush. It is great for precision line work. So I'm just going in and I am tracing and doing my first outline for Goofy. And I am going in and coloring in the parts that are black already. Since I have my black on my brush, I might as well fill in the parts that are black right now. So now that I have my outline done and I have it cured, I do remove the tacky layer, and then I'm going to go in and color him in like a coloring book. So here on my palette, I'm putting down my colors. I have white for his eyes. I have this tan for his skin as well as the background. I have this coral for his tongue. And I have these two mauve-y purple shades that I mixed together to do the outside, or well, I guess technically the inside of his mouth. And then here I'm putting down the green for his hat and the orange for his shirt. And I'll go in and show you guys exactly what the colors are here in a second. So for coloring in my outline, I just go ahead and start from the top and work my way down. So I'm going to start with his hat, and for his hat I'll be using Light Elegance's Tennis Anyone, which is a super pretty neon green color. And so I just go in, fill it in. I try to keep everything in the lines, just like you were doing a coloring page, but on a nail. Now going in with Madame Glam's Perfect White, I'm going to go ahead and fill in the background for his eyes as well as for his teeth. Now going in with Madame Glam's Proud Nude. This is just like a light tan shade, and this is going to be his skin color. So I'm going to go ahead and fill in his skin color. Now going in with Madame Glam's Coral Flirt. I'm going to use this one for his tongue. And next I'm going in with Madame Glam's Chic Madame and Plum Addict mixed together about equal parts, and this is going to be the inside of his mouth, kind of behind his tongue. Now I'm going in with Light Elegance's She's a Copper Catch, a beautiful, it's not a neon, but it is a brighter orange shade, and this is going to be his shirt. And then I do go back in and I color in the background, and I'm just going back in with Proud Nude for the background. And keep in mind, I am flash curing in between each color, as well as this video is very sped up. It took me about 30 minutes, maybe just over 30 minutes, probably closer to 35 or 40 minutes to do just this one nail. So once I have Goofy all filled in and fully cured with all the colors, I go in and I remove the tacky layer once again, and here I'm going in and I'm doing a second outline. This is going to perfect all of the shapes and perfect just his whole look, put in those details like the little hairs on his forehead, make sure I get like the wrinkles on his nose right. And this is going in and just perfecting everything for the look. And if you guys are interested in more character designs, I will leave a link to my character playlist down below. Well, one of my favorites I've done is the Lion King nails. I don't know why, but I just absolutely loved how those ones came out. So definitely go check those out for more character designs. So now that Goofy is looking how I like it, I go ahead and I move on to the rest of the design for the rest of my nails. So here is what it's looking like so far. And I'm going to go in with She's a Copper Catch from Light Elegance. And I'm going to put this on my pinky and my thumb. Now going in with Light Elegance's Tennis Anyone, which is that bright neon green shade. This is going to go on my middle finger. And finally, I'm going to take Light Elegance's Talk Dirt to Me, which is a tan background shade. This is going to go on my pointer finger. And I go ahead and do a second coat of the light tan shade as well as the green shade. And then on top of my orange nails, I'm going to go in with Light Elegance's Nice Melons, which is a beautiful bright orange sparkle. And so I'm going to go ahead and put the sparkle over the orange nails. Moving on to the pointer finger, I wanted to add a little bit more design to this. So I know that the Goofy movie takes place in the 90s, but I want to say it kind of has some 80s elements as well. So I was trying to figure out what exactly I wanted to do for the rest of the design. I decided I wanted to try to make it look like the arcade carpets that have like the different shapes and neons, but I did it in this color palette. But I was trying to find something that I could do that was easy, that wouldn't take away from Goofy, but still really incorporated the whole design. So I'm going in with She's a Copper Catch and drawing in some different shapes. Then I go in with Tennis Anyone and I add the same shapes in that color, and I do overlap some of them. And I did decide that it needed a little bit of pop, so I do take Madame Glam's Perfect Black and I give some of the shapes a little bit of outlining, and that really made everything pop and made the whole design look cohesive. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to put a little bit of crystals, so I'll be taking my gem cluster adhesive from Jelly Nails 1, as well as some Swarovski crystals in Tangerine. And I'm going to go on my middle finger and I'm just going to create a triangle here along the cuticle, some bigger ones, and then cascading down just a little bit, just to add a little accent. now the design is complete, so I'm going to go in with my top coat. I'll be using my Light Elegance's Super Shiny. So here is how my Goofy nails came out. I think they came out pretty good. Goofy definitely came out pretty good. You could tell it's him. I didn't have too much issues drawing him. The rest of the design, I wasn't too sure about that like carpet design that I was trying to do, but I think it does tie the whole design in together with all the colors. So you guys have to let me know down below what you guys thought of this design, and let me know what other character nails you would like me to do. I love doing character nails and just theme sets in general, and I realized it is April, almost May, and I have not done a character design since November, so it was definitely time to bring it out. I do have one more planned for May, but you guys let me know down below what other characters you would like to see from me. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you do like my character designs. I'll keep doing some more, and thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe for some more videos coming out soon, and we'll see you next time. Bye.